In a courtroom at Merthyr Crown Court, a case unfolded accusing Halal Maya, a 46-year-old resident of Kilcredon House in Cardiff, of orchestrating a deceptive scheme through his business, Universal Food Wholesale Limited. The prosecution, led by Alex Greenwood, painted a troubling picture of a company operating without structure or oversight, alleging that no formal policies or procedures existed to ensure the integrity of its food labelling. Specifically, the charge centred on the distribution of chicken misrepresented as halal, a claim that struck at the trust of numerous businesses across South Wales. Maya, standing firm in his defence, refuted the accusations through his counsel, Benjamin Waidhofer. He insisted that Universal Food Wholesale Limited, under his stewardship, dealt solely in dried goods and soft drinks, never venturing into the realm of poultry. The court heard how restaurants and takeaways in Cardiff, Newport, and Blaenau Gwent had relied on his supplies, their names listed as evidence of the company's reach. Yet, the prosecution pressed a different narrative, asserting that Maya had previously told law enforcement of a separate entity, Universal Poultry, which handled the halal chicken trade. This company, he claimed, was run by Noaf Rahman, a childhood friend who stepped in as director, a favour, Maya said, to assist him during a period when he was barred from holding such a position himself. The exchange grew tense as Greenwood probed deeper, questioning whether this arrangement was a calculated move to sidestep accountability. Maya deflected blame toward the workers in the cutting room, where the chicken was processed, suggesting that any lapse, be it laziness or dishonesty, fell beyond his control. The prosecution countered sharply, describing the two companies as mere facades, convenient shields to obscure Maya's role in the supply chain. Greenwood challenged him further, asking whether Universal Food Wholesale and Universal Poultry competed as rival wholesalers. Maya dismissed the notion, maintaining that each served distinct clientele with no overlap or rivalry to speak of. Waidhofer, steering the defence, guided the jury through the financial records of Universal Food Wholesale Limited, seeking to bolster Maya's account. The discussion turned to a past venture, GNA Chicken, a name Maya admitted he had once used with clients. He explained that he had transferred all associated assets and operations to Rahman years ago, denying any ongoing involvement, including placing orders or negotiating with suppliers under that banner. When pressed by his own counsel on whether forensic testing might clarify the halal status of the meat, Maya waved off the suggestion. "Whatever I buy and sell is halal," he declared, his confidence unwavering. The trial, layered with questions of trust, responsibility, and corporate maneuvering, continues to unfold, leaving the jury to weigh the credibility of Maya's assertions against the prosecution's allegations of deceit. As proceedings press on, the case underscores the complexities of food supply chains and the stakes for those who depend on their integrity.